Seven steps to success. There is a powerful 7-step formula which you can use to set and achieve your goals for the rest of your life. Every single successful person uses this formula or some variation of this formula to achieve vastly more than the average person. So can you. Here it is.
Number 1.
Decide what you want. First, decide exactly what it is that you want in each part of your life. Become a meaningful specific rather than a wandering generality.
Number 2.
Write it down. Second, write it down clearly and in detail. Think on paper. A goal that is not in writing is not a goal at all. It is merely a wish. It has got no energy behind it.
Number 3.
Set a deadline. Third, set a deadline for your goal. A deadline acts as a forcing system in your subconscious mind. It motivates you to do the things necessary to make your goals come true. If it is a big enough goal, set sub-deadlines. Don't leave this to chance.
Number 4.
Make a list. Fourth, make a list of everything that you can think of that you are going to have to do to achieve your goals. When you think of new tasks and activities, write them down until your list is complete.
Number 5.
Organize your list. Fifth, organize your list into a plan. Decide what you'll have to do first and what you'll have to do second. Decide what is more important and what is less important. Then write out your plan on a paper. The same way you would develop a blueprint to build your dream house.
Number 6.
Take action. The 6th step is to take action on your plan. Do something. Do anything. But get busy. Get going.
Number 7.
Do something every day. 7th, do something every single day that will move you in the direction of your most important goal at the moment. Develop a discipline of doing something 365 days every year that moves you forward. You will be absolutely astonished to know how much you have accomplished by utilizing this formula in your life every single day. Action exercises. Here are the 2 things that you can do to put these ideas into action immediately. First, decide exactly what you want. Write it down with a deadline. Make a plan and take action at least on one goal today. Second, determine the price that you'll have to pay to achieve this goal, and then get busy paying that price, whatever it is. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.